Ahmed, Mr. Bagher from Down newspaper. Yes, take the microphone.
Mr. President, among the many impediments to developing ties between Pakistan and Iran, one is the suspicions on part of Pakistan about India, the close ties between Iran and India. And our Army Chief General Rahil Sharif this morning raised the issue of Indian intelligence agency RAW using Iranian soil to launch subversive activities against Pakistan. How can your government help to assuage those concerns in Pakistan? Thank you.
جناب رئیس جمهور با تشکر. این روزها شایعاتی شنیده میشه در خصوص ارتباط میان ایران و هند که اقداماتی در خاک ایران علیه پاکستان در انجام میشه. امروز صبح هم در ملاقاتی که آقای راحیل شریف با جناب عالی داشتن در این خصوص موضوعاتی رو مطرح کردن. چه اقداماتی در این زمینه دولت جمهوری اسلامی ایران اتخاذ کرد؟
این که شما میدونید که هر وقت ما با پاکستان نزدیکتر میشیم
whenever we get close to Pakistan and become more intimate, there are some people who create such rumors.
من شاید بیش از 20 بار این شایعه رو در
I have heard this more than 20 times at different times. Whenever we become close to Pakistan, such rumors come up. We didn't talk about this, of course. We talked about how we can expand upon our relations. We have very close and brotherly relationship with Pakistan. Also, we have a good relationship with India. Therefore, no problem. We talked about the region, for different countries of the region. We are like-minded, and we agreed that the problems of the region cannot be solved militarily. You know that we said that the Iranian nuclear deal can serve as a model because we managed to resolve it peacefully and at the negotiating table. So the same thing can also apply to other problems of the region. Mr. Shahbakhi.